Welcome back to day 19 of the 30 days of Clawhammer Banjo. Today we're going to look at a new technique, the hammer-on. In a way, it's the opposite of the pull-off, in that we're going from an open string or fretted note to a higher fretted note. In that way, you could look at it as hammering on to the next note. So, try playing the open first string, then with the tip of your middle finger, swiftly hammer on to the second fret. Like the pull-off, you can effectively do this technique without the first note, so that might be a good way to check if the hammer-on aspect of the technique is working. Try a hammer-on on the second string from the open string to the first fret. Then the third string open to the second fret. Then the fourth string open to the second fret. Just like the pull-off, you can also incorporate the hammer-on into a bum-ditty. Try playing a hammer-on from the open first string to the second fret. Then, without lifting your finger from the second fret, you can strum and play the fifth string as the ditty. Then you can bring this idea to the other strings as well. But for the sake of our arrangement of Sourwood Mountain, just make sure that you can do the hammer-on from the open first string to the second fret. Today's featured banjo player is Maggie Shar. Maggie is a great old-time banjo player, but she's also able to use clawhammer really tastefully in a more expanded, modern instrumentation, including drums and electric bass, in her band, the Moonshells. I'll leave some links in the description of this video where you can find more of Maggie's great music. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time.